Okay, here's a mother sparrow and a baby sparrow. Here's the baby sparrow getting fed seeds because he's new out of the nest. Over here is another one. What kind of sparrows are they?
English sparrow.
English sparrows. This is in Bible Hill at my parents'.
There's a dove about to come.
Oh, we might scare them away. How many sets of babies have come out of the birdhouses?
One, and there's another one on the way.
So this baby sparrow was born this spring, and he's going to be soon eating for himself. Because there are eggs in the house. There's eggs. The second batch of sparrow eggs in the bird houses.
There. Did you see that one just come out and drop that right there on the ground?
No, because I'm focusing on the mother and baby. Baby's pretty big, eh?
There's the dove.
Oh, there. The dove.
And the sparrow's going in and out of the nest over there, the other.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Rested against the glass, so we can stay here.
That's pretty good. There's the big dove.
We should swing over and take a picture of the birdhouse.
Where is it? There it is.
Might come out too small to see.
No. Oh. So the other sparrow's going in and out of there.
Yeah.
Not doing too much right now, though.
Yeah, I just left.
Oh, did he? Oh, okay. We'll go back to the birdhouse.
You got a hazy spot on the glass.
I breathed on it. Can
you see the dove?
Yeah, I got the dove in before. The baby's all fluffed up, that's why it looks so big, eh?
Mm.
Oh, it hit the window!
Well, was it a
They do
dove?
that all the time.
Oh my gosh! It flew away, it flew around the corner.
Yeah, don't bother them.
Jesus.
That wasn't a dead smash compared to sometimes.
That was the baby. Well, the mother's gone to check on it.